Hi, I'm David Bonasera with ESP Sales. What I want to tell you about today, folks, is a new little type mini cord bit. You could use this for natural stone. I use it for bonsai pots. And the thing that's real interesting is you have your regular cheap bits that go into the pot, but it takes a long time to do. And then you have this one that's unique from Diamond Vantage. The nice thing about it is that up here, there's a little cap. And in this cap, you can put your cutting oil in here and then cap it. And of course, cutting oil is the best thing for lubricant that you can have. Most people will use water, or you can use water by itself on this anyway. Anyway, this just really cuts through so much faster, and I'll show you. See, it's a little bit slow. The Diamond Vantage bit, this rocks. See how fast it cuts? And again, this is for when you're wiring your bonsai to keep it in the pot. And again, you have your wire. So you're putting in your bonsai tree, wiring it so you can hold it real good after you repot it. And there you go.